Many Kaspa investors will regret this. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm Chris, and today we're about to do our typical daily update about what happened since yesterday in the Kaspa price, in the rank, in the market cap. Also, we're about to see the hash rate, the technical side, but unfortunately we won't see for one more day the top addresses and the categories because the site is still loading, and unfortunately I cannot do something for that. I hope tomorrow this to be fixed. And we're gonna close the video, guys, with why many Kaspa investors will regret a specific move that they will do in the future. So if you're interested to know all of these things, all you have to do is to remain until the end of the video. And before we continue, I would like to clarify you that I'm not a financial advisor. Whatever that you are going to see in this video is my own personal opinion, my personal approach. Always do your own research before any kind of financial investment. And guys, if you are Kaspa enthusiast, Kaspa holder, or Kaspa investor, I recommend you to subscribe to my channel because daily I upload Kaspa videos where I try to educate you and inform you with the latest news around Kaspa and also around the crypto market. So it's gonna be very beneficial for you to have a subscribe to my channel. And do not forget, guys, to check the WealthNET, which is a private crypto Discord community, and we would like to gather all the like-minded crypto investors. That's why we got already elite crypto investors inside. We got multimillionaires, business owners, crypto experts, crypto YouTubers, whatever you can imagine is inside of this group. So you're going to be able to build connections, to chill out and do high level conversations. We're about to do live streams where we're going to speak for very deep things around the crypto and how you should actually build a proper SARK crypto investing mindset if you would like to walk into the path of the prosperity and not actually gambling around all over the time. So this group is going to be very helpful for you, and that's my goal as Chris, to make every single guy that will enter in this group wealthy. Okay, this is my main purpose of this group, and also to chill out with like-minded people and people that are going to succeed in the future or have already succeed. So this is the WealthNet, and if you are looking to enter, send an email to wealthnetcrypto@gmail.com. Send a brief introduction about yourself and also what you are looking from WealthNet, and we will see if you are eligible, because WealthNet is not for everyone. We would like only like-minded investors. The spots for these prices are very limited. In the next coming days, the price is going to be increased. So catch your position by sending an email if you would like to enter. And without losing more time, let's get back to the video and start with our typical daily update about what happened since yesterday. Guys, Kaspa, as you can clearly see right now, is standing slight below the 5 cents area at 0.049 cents with a 0.4% down since yesterday. Some people right now, maybe they think that that's it, that was the pump, and right now we're gonna see a reversal. Guys, don't freak out. Obviously, this is not gonna happen, especially right now with the Bitcoin that is pumping like crazy. Anyway, the rank remains 44, and mark my words, the next coming days or weeks, you're about to see Kaspa under top 40. Okay, it's coming. Be ready for that. Rank under top 40 coins for Kaspa is coming. So, market cap right now above 1 billion. Unfortunately for you, maybe this was the last time that you saw Kaspa under 1 billion. And before a couple days that we were under 1 billion, I was screaming you, buy, start doing your dollar cost average. Don't wait to see Kaspa at 700 million, 600 million, 500 million, because that maybe won't happen ever again. And maybe we won't even drop under 800 million again. So I told you to buy, do your dollar cost average, because with a sudden pump, maybe the price of Kaspa won't drop under 1 billion. And guys, as you can clearly see, maybe right now is playing this scenario, and with any sudden pump straight to 6 cents, 7 cents, maybe Kaspa won't come back under 1 billion ever again. Okay, this is the truth. Anyway, hash rate, as you can clearly see, 30.69 petahash per second. Yesterday we saw again Kaspa reached 33 petahash per second, but right now we are standing at 30.69. I believe the next coming days we can touch the 34, 35, which is going to be extremely bullish. So as I told you, the next coming months we're about to see new batch of ASICs available. So that's gonna drive the Kaspa hash rate even more upside, okay, like 50 or 60 petahash per second. It's coming, and that's obviously gonna welcome a bigger adoption. This is what we are looking for, even more security and healthy Kaspa network, more computational power, okay. And let's move on. The address, unfortunately, are not loading again, and let's go straight to the technical side, because guys, as you can clearly see right now, Kaspa, it seems that is doing a pullback. It's not a pullback, don't freak out. Maybe some paper hands or traders or whatever, call them as you would like, they're shorting Kaspa from that position because they believe that Kaspa will drop back to 3 cents or 4 cents. These guys rely too much in technical analysis, or they rely too much in stupidity. Maybe they don't understand the true potential of Kaspa. That's why they're shorting. And obviously we've got the paper hands that are dumb guys that doesn't deserve to be in the crypto space and not in the investing space in general. Maybe they should just work, save money, and do all of these things, because to be in crypto, you need to do smart moves, okay? If you don't do smart moves and you are trying to gamble just to make faster money or whatever, you won't make money at all. You're gonna lose even the money that you got. So in general, for crypto guys, you need to have patience, okay? The guys that got very brutal patience are building castles with dollars, okay? They're making crazy amounts of money. Don't try to short trade or whatever. This is wrong mindset. Don't try to short trade or swing trade in Kaspa, because maybe at the end run you're gonna lose more money than just buy and hold. So please be careful with these things. Anyway, right now, as I told you, Kaspa is doing a pullback, slight pullback, but you can clearly see that Bitcoin is pumping like crazy. And as I told you yesterday with this current candle, I told you that if Bitcoin will surpass the 200 daily moving average and it's going to close the candle above this 200 daily moving average, the situation going to flip extremely bullish for Bitcoin, and it can pump the Bitcoin above $30,000. Okay, it can happen. So in that case, Kaspa has an advantage, because Kaspa had already a bull run in a bear market, but with the help of the Bitcoin, then Kaspa can skyrocket with any news. And we have maybe news, maybe we will see new exchange listing this week. Maybe it's going to be the tomorrow's video about this topic. That's going to drive the price of Kaspa at 6 cents or even 7 cents instantly. You're going to see like a rally, like Insta pump straight to 6 cents with any probable news that's going to emerge. So as you understand, guys, Kaspa is standing in a very critical point where it's ready for insane paranormal pump, and this is what we would like to see. Okay, don't wait for the Kaspa price to drop at 2 cents or 3 cents. These scenarios are like very imaginary scenarios. It won't happen even in your dreams. So do your dollar cost average. If it's gonna drop, okay, if it's gonna drop, then you're gonna buy heavy. If it won't, you're gonna keep doing your dollar cost average and you won't lose the train, because maybe these prices that we are studying, this market cap that we are studying, maybe it's the last time that we touch that, because with a sudden pump, maybe we will never ever come back to 5 cents. Okay, who knows? So for me, this situation, I believe, is going to reverse from time to time. We won't stay in the red candle. Even if we're going to stay today, tomorrow, I believe we're going to have a reversal. And I believe in a continuation of this pump, because as I told you, we have the help of the Bitcoin too. That's what I would like to tell you from the technical side of Kaspa. And let's go, guys, something that I would like to mention you for a big regret that many people will have in the next coming months. And I'm speaking for the Kaspa investors, okay? We have some Kaspa investors that are pessimists, and always we have pessimists in the crypto space, and believe that Kaspa will only go to $1 to $2, and then that's gonna be the peak of the Kaspa. I recommend you to do your research around Kaspa even more deeply. If you are this type of guy that you believe that Kaspa cannot surpass the $2 and the maximum that Kaspa can go is the $1 or $2, guys, I recommend you to do more research around Kaspa, around crypto space, to realize why we are in the crypto space, how Bitcoin actually surpassed the 1 trillion mark, why it surpassed that, to see all the bull cycles in the previous years, and put all of these things together, put it down, and you're gonna realize that with the money that are coming, which are approximately estimated $10 trillion, guys, Kaspa can be easy, not at $2, but can be easy at $10. Okay, and even more. $10 is mind conservative, as you know. I believe that we can see Kaspa like $15 or even more than that, $20 and prices like that. Okay, because it can scale up to 500 billion by the first bull run. So what's the mistake that many people will regret? They're gonna sell early. Okay, this is a major mistake that many people will do for Kaspa. They will sell very early. They're gonna sell like a half bag in the $1, 25% at $1.50, and all the bags of Kaspa at $2, because they're gonna have the belief that Kaspa price won't pump anymore. And the big financial institutions, the elite ones, that they're gonna buy Kaspa at that point, they're gonna buy all of your bags, and they're gonna pump the price of Kaspa like to 500 billion, 400 billion, 300 billion, and etc. And this happened, guys, with Bitcoin 2 in 2017 in front of my eyes. I was buying Bitcoin back in the days. I had no completely idea what is bear market, what is bull run. I didn't know. I just was buying like without any kind of knowledge. I explained all my story in the WealthNET for those who would like to interesting to know my bio. Guys, in 2017, people actually were expecting to see like a bull run. Okay, they were expecting that Bitcoin will pump, but because they were pessimists, like we have the people right now that they say Kaspa can go up to $1, $2 max, cannot go higher than that. These people had back in the days the same approach with Bitcoin, that Bitcoin will go in the bull run $2,000, $3,000 max. This was actually their approach. And when actually bull run started and they saw like Bitcoin pumping like crazy, personally, even without experience, I had the belief that Bitcoin is the future. It's gonna get to the moon. So my approach back in the days was, I will just wait and the price will go always up. This was my approach back in the days, which was in some point correct. And look what happened. Like November 2016, the price was $750, and a couple months later started moving up. We saw like in May 2017, the Bitcoin price for the first time at $2,000. Then it continued up to $3,000 after some fluctuation of the $2,000 area, $2,400, $2,500. Eventually, it went to $3,000. And guys, there it was that all the pessimist people sold everything. And there is a YouTuber with the name Jerry Banfield. You can go and see his videos. He was actually very OG in the YouTube. I have watched some of his videos, and he was pessimist back in the days for the Bitcoin. He sold everything in $2,000, $3,000. So you can learn from the other people. This guy is an example that he sold too early. And I know personally lots of guys that they did that. It's not only the Jerry Banfield. Lots of guys sold early in 2017, so early. And what happened next? Bitcoin from $2,000 and $3,000 exploded up to $20,000. Okay, 10x more than they sold everything. It was crazy because they were pessimists. So this is exactly what's going to happen with Kaspa, exactly the same scenario, and this is something that lots of people are going to regret. Kaspa will pump to $1, lots of people are going to sell like a half bag, then Kaspa will go to $1.50, they're going to sell another 25% of their Kaspa holdings, then it's going to get to $2, $2.20, they're going to say, oh, that's all, it won't get higher, they're going to sell the last 25%, and then guys, the price can skyrocket up to $20 and they're gonna stay like so bad wrecked, because maybe if it's gonna skyrocket that high, Kaspa price won't drop again that low. So in some way, they're gonna be in a loss. If you are too pessimist, I recommend you to do just hold forever. Better to hold for 8 years straight if you believe in Kaspa, rather than try to swing trade, because if you are inexperienced, maybe you're gonna get wrecked with this type of take profits too early, especially for a project like Kaspa, because if it's gonna get too high in the market cap, maybe if it's gonna drop, it won't drop even in a bear market that low in the point that you sold off. So as you understand, this is gonna be a major problem for you. Maybe you're gonna buy higher than you sold, which is gonna be like a loss. Okay, but anyway, if you invest money and you have some profits, obviously you never lose. Okay, profits is profits by the end of the day. If you are here for the long run, it's better to build a brutal patience, and also obviously you're gonna take profits, but you need to educate yourself where is the right time to take profits and how to take profits properly. Never sell like 100% of your bag in $1 of Kaspa, for example. You're gonna get wrecked in some way. Maybe you have some profits, but if you are here for the long run and you are willing to invest again in Kaspa and the bear market of Kaspa, maybe if the bull run peak will be at 400 billion market cap, maybe the worst case scenario for the bear market of 2027 for Kaspa can be like $2, $3, prices like that. You sold everything in $1 and you will have to buy back to $2, which is going to be maybe the entry, the lowest point of the bear market of 2027. Who knows? But it's better to handle the situation smartly, okay? Anyway, this was actually my message for today's video. But guys, please do your research, try to learn how to invest properly, and do not sell too early because you're going to regret it. Now I would like just to show you that Tangem Wallet guys had a collaboration with Kaspa, and they got limited edition 350 wallets, only Tangem Kaspa edition. So you can get your Kaspa wallet powered by Tangem, okay? You can come up, I will leave the link in the description and also in a pinned comment. So you can order now, use CryptoChris code, and you can get a discount like 10% off. So if you were going to buy a cold storage of Tangem, because as you know, I personally use Tangem Wallet and is the safest way to store your cryptos. The cold storage, I mean, and from cold storage, I prefer Tangem. Right now, you have the choice. It's only for very limited wallets to buy Kaspa Wallet Edition instead of the normal one. Okay, but if you would like a second wallet or a third wallet, you can buy the Kaspa Wallet 2, because also it has the 2.0 chip where you have optional seed phrase. If you would like, you can use it. So that's the video. Thank you so much guys for your support. Appreciate you for every like, every comment. It means a lot to me, and I will see ya all in my next video. Until then, your boy Chris out. Bye.